Good morning, folks. So today we're going to talk about evasion. I got Siddhant with me, who's going to be my dummy for today because, fucking dummy. So we're going to go over head movement for the common punches, jab, cross, and the hook. All right, let's get started. So for the jab, a good way to train it is you keep the reference here, and you just move this way. Right, take your hip back. Should be able to see the underarm. The hand should go, away from your head. Graze the neck a little bit, not too much. You're here. Again, go. Keep your guard up and go. And he brings it slowly. I move. Slowly. I move. Slowly. Alright, same thing for the cross. That's how you're going to train. But the difference is, you're going to basically move the way you're about to cross him. So you move your hip. So when you're here, move your hip. You see how your head moves out? Come back. So you move your hip, come back. Don't actually punch him. So you're here, move your hip. Right? He brings it slowly, keep your guard up. And now we're going to go against the hook. It's going to be a bob and weave. So how you do the bob and weave? Keep your hand down, dummy. So you basically squat down a little bit, take your head to the side, get back up. So you squat down, get back up, squat down, get back up, move your hip around, right? So if he shoots the hook from here, I go 1. Shoots the hook from there, 1. I have to try and stay as close to his hand as possible. If I go too low, I get a knee. I don't like eating a knee. So I go 1, 2. That's your evasion. You can attack with it as well, but for now, just move your head.